Good morning, Sila Wolves. Welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Sila Broadcasting Network.
Buenos días, Sila familia, y bienvenidos a Noticiero Wolf TV.
I am Luis.
Y yo soy Francisco.
Happy Thursday, January 18th.
Feliz jueves 18 de enero. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please welcome Daniela for the weather report.
Good morning, Sila Wolves. It's 29 degrees and very cold out, but no worries because it's sunny right now. This afternoon it will warm up to 48 degrees and sunny conditions will continue all day. Now back to our house.
Thanks for the weather update.
Please welcome Malia for the lunch menu.
Today's lunch menu is cheese and pepperoni pizza, wild butter and grape jelly sandwiches, seasoned veggies, carrot with ranch dip, and a variety of fruits. Now back to our host. We have some exciting news.
Do you remember the VIP dance from last year?
Yeah, it's happening again this year on Friday, February 10th for our K-5 students from 7 to 8:30 p.m.
Tickets cost $5 each and will be on sale from February 2nd to February 19th.
Are you interested in joining the morning news?
If you are in 3rd grade through 8th grade, you can apply to be a part of the morning news crew.
This application is available on Parent Square.
Please submit your application by morning. Today's special affirmation is
Challenges help me to learn and grow.
Today's an A day.
I am Luis.
Yo soy Francisco.
Have a good day, Sila Wolves. ¡Hasta luego!
I'll see you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Toodaloo, kangaroo. Mañana, iguana. See you around like a donut. Bye.